Hey, back again. So somebody coming in. It's tidying up there today. I'm going to tip. I've just brought that railing from home and bent it right pond. It's alright, doesn't it? So I can take that cage off now though. Just to stop people falling in. I don't know why. There should be nobody on your plot, but there you go. So we've got a bit more space here now, upside. So we'll just go tidy up behind there now. I've got all this crap from behind here. It has to go along with that door and that one. So they've got to go on. Put kettles on first. These plants suffered a bit last night because it was absolutely freezing. So it was withering a bit, them tomatoes, but fleeced them up now. We'll get that off now. That back has not suffered, funnily enough. Most of it's not, just the tomatoes really. We'll see if they come back. If not, we'll plant some more. No big deal. All them's alright in there. What I'm going to try to do for you is I've got a piece of plastic round there. I won't try to cut it with my saw so I can put another lid on here because it's a bit deeper, that one. And I'm on the lookout for some polystyrene for lining that to make it a bit warmer because it's only soil underneath. It really needs something underneath. Polystyrene or insulation, something. Anyhow, kettle. Right, I'm off to pick Super Sandra up with a magic paintbrush. And then when I get back, I'll start loading all this up on my pickup. Boom. There's not that much really, it looks a lot. Well, it will all go on in one go because I can only go once and that's it. Spit is off today again. Right, go and get Sandra. More turn off. Woohoo! Sandra's painting in there. Hang on, 2 minutes. Oh, Sandra's on phone. Yeah, so I'm behind here and I'm getting all this crap from behind here and look at all that. Hey. So that's all going to tip along with that other stuff around there, and that wood I'm keeping. All this wood here. So I'll clean out behind there and then put that wood behind there nice and neat. We'll still be able to get round. Scrape all that off with a spade. Re-time. There's Sandra. That's kettle on. There's Sandra, and you can't see I'm not lying. Painting away. Hey! We're on camera again. Yeah, so everything here is going to tip. And this is what I'm keeping. I'm keeping these logs like that because I can chop them up at winter and burn them. So that's all I'm keeping out of all that crap. And bears and that down there, they're going to have to go as well. I'll sort them out and 10-foot load this van up. It's alright, that railing from home, doesn't it? Just finishes it off. Nothing. Kettle. Artist at work again. managed back car in, just about. Not much room, but it'll make it easier. Some drop tailgate, so should all go straight up back of there after our break. There you go. We just put the last bits and bobs on, but that's one full load of crap to go to that tip. Fill a bag now with the rest of the stuff and throw that on, and we'll get some rope off Ken. He's got to borrow me some rope. There he is with the ones all down. Where are they? Just listen for rubbish and go. Oh, they've gone at Polytunnel. Must have been going for a kiss and cuddle. Breathe time.
I've still got mine.
Oh. There you go. Finally. Just to prove it. And all these bags are here, but I'm keeping them for my mates to scrap, man. So I'll give them a ring, he'll come and pick them up. So there you go. You can walk all the way around now. So get this cleaned up and painted now. Oh, belting. Let's get this last bit of crap on in the bag and off the tip we'll go. Get that rope off Ken. Yeah, I'm using that. See, she's trying to throw my good trellis away. Yeah, that's it, loaded up. So it's off the tip I go. Bye bye crap. We're here at the tip. We'll go about half a mile to the gate. So reckons it's a 2-hour break. We'll see. Nearly there. We've been here about 20 minutes now. Another 20 minutes I reckon. Nearly there now. Better things I could be doing today, like, but there you go. There you go. All tidy. Gone to the tip. I'm here, I'm just a sec. Hang on. There she is, painting away again. Can't stop her. Here's one of these bits and bobs now. It's a bag full of crap there, but I'm going to take that and get rid of it. And there's just empty bags. Don't want going anywhere, that's alright. That can go on there actually. I'll keep that as well. So one of that get rid of, and that. And I've got some more wood down here for throwing that, so there you go. Well, 20 to 3 and I've just had a phone call, can I work tonight at 3 o'clock in the morning? That give me loads of notice, don't they? Hey, I've dragged that bag of crap down there. Ready, so it's all clear around here now. All painted up, 2 bar leagues of it. Yeah, it's all clear around there now. And the bits of crap got clean up now. Then we'll be melting. Yeah. All clear. Right, I'll cross it off now, get our sand roll. See you later.